I am going to give you a simple statement that will entirely change your life. You need to affirm this statement every day for 2 minutes, and you will see your life changing within a few days. Picture it: a forgotten sage, lost in the pages of history, yet his wisdom holds the key to unlocking your potential. Have you ever heard of his most famous affirmation? Despite his influence, Amile Ku remains largely obscured by time. But imagine the possibilities if you were to rediscover his teachings, harness the power of your mind, and embark on a transformative journey toward healing and personal growth. For you, the key lies in focusing on affirmations that actively promote your well-being, health, and success. Amile Ku, the trailblazer lost to history, emphasized the critical role of faith in these affirmations, highlighting that belief is the key to unlocking your mind's incredible healing potential. Amile Ku was a French psychologist and pharmacist who lived from 1857 to 1926. He developed a method of autosuggestion, which is a form of self-hypnosis, to help people improve their mental and physical well-being. Ku believed that by repeating affirmations to yourself, you could influence your subconscious mind to change your thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately your life. As you dive into these teachings, you'll discover how your convictions can activate a profound transformation within you. Your journey is guided by Ku's influence, which has left an indelible mark on the realms of self-help and personal development. He laid the very foundation for modern practices like affirmations, visualization, and the power of positive thinking. Now let's unravel his most famous affirmation together, shall we? Imagine repeating these words every day. Every day, in every way, you are getting better and better. It's not just a mantra. It's a powerful declaration that has the potential to reshape your reality, fueling your journey toward continuous improvement and success. Can you sense the transformative energy within those words? They hold the key to unlocking your full potential. So let's embark on this journey together. Join me in repeating this influential affirmation 20 times, aligning your mind with the belief that every repetition strengthens your path to progress. Every day, in every way, you are getting better and better. Every day, in every way, you are getting better and better. Feel the resonance of those words. Let them resonate within you. It's not just a repetition. It's a powerful declaration, a daily affirmation that propels you toward a brighter, more successful version of yourself. To boost their effectiveness, speak affirmations to yourself as you ease into sleep. If you find yourself swiftly dozing off once your head hits the pillow, try repeating your affirmations slowly and drawn out. Consider saying them to yourself about 10 times before settling down for the night. This simple practice can enhance the impact of the affirmations and make your journey into sleep even more soothing. When I first heard about this affirmation, I decided to test it out for myself. I would recommend you do the same. When I decided to give this affirmation a shot, the results left me utterly amazed. Picture this: you were in a bit of a physical slump, feeling tired and run down. Maybe, like many, you figured that if it worked, the improvements would be most obvious in this area. But here's the twist: it didn't just uplift your physical state. No, it worked its magic on the way you were thinking, surprising you in ways you could never have predicted. It's one of those things you have to try for yourself to truly grasp the impact. Imagine the unexpected shift, the buzz of transformation that awaits an experience that defies anticipation and demands to be felt to be believed. Realizing how much this affirmation influenced my thinking was a complete surprise. It's like this incredible thing that you have to try for yourself to get. Our minds have this amazing power. Sometimes the way we use our minds can mess with how we feel, but using this affirmation is like unlocking a superpower. But let me emphasize, it won't work unless you give it a real shot. You have to genuinely commit to it. You don't need to shout it out at the top of your voice, but saying it with conviction and sincerity is crucial. It might feel a bit strange initially, but trust me, it's worth it. Repeating this phrase every day creates a sense of declaration, and even though you don't believe in the affirmation you are repeating, your subconscious mind will slowly start to believe that it's true. It's a placebo effect. Ku's method was based on the placebo effect, which is the phenomenon of a person experiencing positive changes in their health or behavior simply by believing that what our mind believes will work. The placebo effect underscores the importance of the mind-body connection in health and wellness. Your mind doesn't know the difference between fact and fiction, and affirmations use this to your benefit. Practice is the key, and even though at the beginning you are not going to believe your affirmation, persist. Slowly but surely you will. It is called autosuggestion for a reason. Now, when your subconscious mind is just starting to embrace those affirmations, it might resist them at first. Curious why? Well, let me break it down for you. Your subconscious mind has this protective mechanism, always looking out for you to avoid any potential harm or drastic changes. So, when you introduce a new idea or behavior, something unfamiliar, it kicks in to deny it, creating this safety tether to keep your beliefs in check and ensure a sense of security. It's like your mind's way of saying, hold on, let's make sure this is safe. Fascinating, right? Now, here's another thing for you to consider. Those sneaky limiting beliefs and doubts might try to creep into your mind. But here's the key: stay focused on your goals. Whenever those doubts pop up, don't let them linger. Instead, hit them head on by repeating those affirmations with unwavering belief. I get it, it's not a walk in the park, but with practice, I can guarantee you'll start witnessing some real magic once you wholeheartedly believe in those affirmations and trust your higher self. Now, for the last part, as you reflect on the Amile Ku affirmation, let gratitude fill your heart for the groundbreaking work and contributions of this forgotten trailblazer in personal development, and also the higher self. Thank your God or the energy that exists in the non-physical world, giving you an opportunity every day and providing you whatever you have desired in life. Take a moment to appreciate how His wisdom has paved the way for transformative change. Embrace it not just as words, but as a reminder of the immense power within your mind. As soon as you start showing gratitude to the higher self, you become more energetic, and the frequency that you emit to the universe will come back with interest, and it's real. With each repetition, feel the affirmation becoming a vibrant part of your daily narrative, affirming your commitment to growth and success. Every day, in every way, you are indeed getting better and better. Embrace it, live it, and watch the positive transformation unfold in your life. Imagine yourself, day after day, reinforcing the belief that in every way you are getting better and better. It's important to not just say the words, but to truly believe and feel them in your heart and mind. Additionally, taking action toward your personal growth and improvement goals can reinforce the affirmation and help you see progress over time. Remember, this affirmation is like a mental workout. The more effort you put in, the more profound the results. So give it your best shot, embrace the process, and watch the magic unfold. If you're up for the challenge, comment below and share your experiences with the everyday, in every way, you are getting better affirmation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embark on this journey of self-improvement. Until next time, stay positive, stay motivated, and remember, every day, in every way, you are getting better and better. See you in the next video.